Good afternoon, dear colleagues. Today we are pleased to present the new capabilities of our product, and we will start by walking you through the latest version and its key features. So, what's new in a version of Staffcop Enterprise 5.6? We have improved activity and productivity reports for clearer insights, expanded operating system support, and added new features to simplify policy management in distributed environments. The update includes incident deletion protection and watermarking for data tracking. So let's begin. The first one is a long-awaited release of a feature that is interesting to use. This is user screen watermarking. The Windows agent now displays watermarks on the monitor when users open specified websites and applications. Watermarks prevent data leaks through screenshots or screen photography. It shows the login, PC name, and timestamp. You can see you can customize display conditions, position, and transparency. So here how it looks on the user's computers. The next feature is offline screenshot replay player. In the latest version of Staffcop Enterprise 5.6, you can now download a player to view screen recordings saved by the agent. You can find this setting in the Computers section Screenshots Back Player. So it allows you to view recordings locally without access to the server, and this feature is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac operating systems. For the last one, please check the link to the player in our documentation. I have already prepared the file in advance. So I click Select File, choose it, and we can see this is the current view. We can use the playback speed controls and pointer customization in the video stream. The next feature is incident-related event protection and file deletion. Back to the main menu. We have added a new feature that protects events and files related to the incidents from being deleted. So here we can find it in the incident section. As long as the incident remains in a status other than closed, the system will not delete it. It keeps data safe for investigations and prevent both accidental and intentional deletions. And also it stops data from being lost during database cleanup. My access rights are limited on these demo environments, but here's how it will typically appear. If the administrator attempts to delete such an event or file, the following message will appear. Event is linked to the incident number XXX, deletion prohibited. By default, deletion protection is enabled. So the next one is risk threshold and user alerts. Now you can set a risk limit so that the system generates reports and sends alerts for users whose risk level exceeds this value. Here you can find it in the Create button. It focuses on the user with the most significant risk and monitors sudden or sustained changes in risk levels, and we can get daily reports, automatically send them to the stakeholders. So the next feature is scanning old document formats in crawler. We have added one of the long-awaited updates. This is a support for scanning older document formats. We can find it in the File section, as you can see. So I click Scanning, and now you can see that outdated Office formats and plain text formats are available. Note that this functionality is available for both Linux and Windows agents. Also, we have added for time tracking reports some new features. So this is the all the rest category in productivity time by department report. The productivity time by department report now includes another category that's called all the rest. It accounts for activities that don't fall under productive, neutral, or unproductive policies, and also helps you spot and categorize user actions and adjust policies as needed. So what about updates for agents? They are also included new functionality. We can find it here in the button of event type. For example, this is PowerShell interception. Now, in the new version of Staffcop Enterprise 5.6, the Windows agent includes interception for command input and output in the PowerShell terminal. Based on interception results, this event type is generated. For Linux agents, new features have also been added. For example, non-standard port monitoring. The agent now detects network activity even though non-standard ports and helps monitor traffic when antivirus software blocks standard ports, and also monitors data transfer via the POP3 protocol. Also, we have added the feature for Linux agent is external storage file list interception. Now the agent logs the list of files on external devices, records all the file names, generate a file operation event for each file, and supports file shadow copying configuration. The showcase features represent a subset of the enhancements in this update. For further details, please contact us and we'll provide all the necessary information. Wishing you a productive day.